Ikaw ang CEO, accounting, marketing, HR, purchasing, tapos nagtataka ka bakit sobrang pagod mo sa negosyo. As a negosyante, you don't have to do everything yourself. In fact, it might be costing you more than you think. Kasi sa totoo lang, kung ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa ng lahat from payroll to shipping to talking to suppliers, hindi ka business owner. Ikaw yung pinaka-overworked na empleyado mo. Hi, I'm Riza. I'm a small business owner who owns these brands and negosyante to negosyante. Gets na gets ko to kasi ganito rin ako before. Your job as the owner is to lead and focus on things that can help you grow your business. Yung mga repetitive tasks, delegate. Yung mga pwede mo na i-automate, i-automate mo na. And isa na dyan ang payroll mo. For all of our businesses, hindi talaga kayang gawin lahat ng tasks ng sabay-sabay, lalo na if marami ka na ring staff na minamanage. So for us, we have a centralized HR system. We use cloud payroll so salaries are computed automatically and pwede na rin mag-time in and time out yung mga staff nyo via web and mobile, tapos automatic na rin yung pag-manage ng leaves and benefits nila online. We also have a fast and stable internet to keep all inquiries, live selling, and operations smooth sailing. May CCTV rin kami, so even if we're not in the HQ, we're always updated on the operations. So kung naghahanap ka ng mga ganitong tools, I can definitely recommend Globe Business's Business Efficiency Kit. For your broadband connection, merong G-Fiber Biz 2999 with unlimited internet up to 800 Mbps plus free static IP and CCTV for added security and protection. Meron ding cloud payroll para sa pinadaling payroll processing. If you wanna know more, check this link.